My name is Chloe Koo. My project is the Internet of Things, sensors, data rendering.
I'm Elliot. My project is like the IT management of the Supercomputer Center.
And my mentor is Andrew Ferber. I saw this internship at my school. Our physics teacher was offering positions, and I really wanted to do some work this summer because I really like electronics. I wanted to also learn a lot of software and programming, so I thought this would be perfect for it.
Reading the description, it was just really interesting that they're utilizing Raspberry Pis and Arduinos to get metrics and data from the supercomputer, which they then look at the data and read and upload to a site that they rendered the data on called Graphite. So that sounds pretty cool to me.
I've learned how to turn on a Raspberry Pi, so that's pretty cool.
The Raspberry Pi is a miniature computer that's like $35, and it allows you to do a lot of different things, ranging from programming to digital electronics.
I think building a flashlight is the coolest thing I've done so far. But also like learning just different commands and how to send data to the database. That's pretty cool.
We meet with our mentors on Tuesdays and Thursdays, just to like make sure we're all on the same page. Basically, we write out a to-do list on the whiteboard, what we want to get done that day, and then we break it into smaller parts and we start working on those smaller problems.
I hope to learn more about how to gather data and gather metrics and send them into a database, and just work on hardware stuff, electronics.
I hope to gain more experience working with like researchers and the supercomputer. I've never really done that before. Do this internship and learning how to work in a team.
During our time spent here as interns at the San Diego Supercomputer Center, we began to ask ourselves, what is a supercomputer?
So we decided to go around and ask different interns and mentors, and this is what we found out.
A supercomputer is a rack of servers.
Oh, a supercomputer. That's a good question.
A supercomputer is basically a whole bunch of just average computers hooked up.
The fastest type of computer. Supercomputers are very expensive and are employed for specialized application and require immense amount of mathematical calculations.
It's a lot of computers put together to do something that a regular computer can't do.
For example, this is off the top of my head, weather forecasting, maybe something with space, astronomy, stuff like that.
It's a processor that houses databases and information.
Well, it's a bunch of computers that are together to compute big algorithms that normal computers can't.
Other uses of supercomputers include animated graphics, fluid dynamic calculations, and I think like nuclear engineering research maybe. So yeah, does that answer your question?